Bula, 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 everyone. Baron Bruno and Bren Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Walk with me into this amazing turnkey Fiji lifestyle experience. Golf cart, bicycles, house, boat, car. What do we say in Fiji? Welcome, Bula. Here you are in your new furnished home. 3-bed, 3.5 bath. Grand room here, entrance. Look at the wood ceiling. This is an amazing Denarau home, 15 to 20 minutes from the international airport. Great gourmet entertainer's kitchen. Look at that phenomenal pass-through. Check this out. Not only do you have great sitting areas with custom rain tree barbecue area, but you've got golf course views, canal views, and just an awesome swimming pool. And the sunsets are just epic, and we're around that time, so we're gonna go have a look together. Here is your gas burner, your stove, fridge, all your storage. Come with me. We're gonna start with a half bath. Really nice. Now this home is about 223 square meters. It comes with a 2-car enclosed garage. That's about 42 square meters. There's a covered patio, about 33 square meters. And then there's about 25 square meters roughly of decking. So as you can see in the back, you've got your laundry room. Here is one of the bedrooms. And look, from your bedroom, look at that. Amazing golf course views, swimming pool, palm trees. Man, this is Fiji lifestyle living right here. You can do this. We are here to make it happen for you. This is a turnkey deal. Even the birds are singing for you. So you've got storage to the right, all that garage space. Let's go to the second bedroom. Again, walk-in closet to the right, air conditioners, beautiful appointed bathroom with all that storage, nice shower. And again, right from the bedroom, you get to see this every day. This is what you've been waiting for. You're watching this video at home saying, I need to get out of where I am. I want to go to tropical paradise. Look at that surfboard right ahead of us, just waiting for you to grab it. Barbecue. This is Fiji living, my friends. Let's walk with me. We're going to go back inside. Again, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Beautiful home. It was valued in 2018 at $2.455 million. The owners are now having to move back to New Zealand, and there could be a great opportunity here for someone to get a deal below property valuation. So keep that in mind. And here is the master bedroom. You have a nice built-in closets back to the left for all your belongings. So just get off the plane, come on over here. We'll have the cold drinks waiting. Make sure you bring your golf clubs, your tennis rackets, your surfboards, all those fun beach activities that you can have in Fiji with you and your family and your loved ones. What a beautiful spot right here, just to entertain family and friends. Fully furnished. Come back out here with me. You got to see this. This is just really unique and amazing. So you have water views right here, and you get to have these views all the time. Look at that. Bring your golf clubs. You're right next to Denarau Golf and Racket Club. Come with me and check this out. These are handmade rain tree planks that were made into built-in bar area. This comes with a house. Yes, this is all here for you. As a matter of fact, if you have kids and you're relocating to Fiji, or you want to put in a business here in Fiji, right now, that trampoline to the right, it's very inviting, I know. You can get onto that. You even have your own composting system. Very eco-friendly. All this land that you're looking at, we're walking on, is part of the property. Very private. And look at this. I know you have kids. Get them, bring them over, have them look at this. Have you seen a cool tree house like this where you live? Bamboo. Listen to it. It's talking to you saying, come to Fiji, come to Fiji. A little mini rock wall for the kids. And why don't we just have a seat and just wait for movie time. Nice cold drink. This is Fiji time. This is Fiji living. You got to come here and enjoy this with us. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051. You're going to want to know about this thing. And this is the package deal, my friends. You can get the house, the car, the boat, the bikes, the buggy, anything and everything you need to settle into this tropical paradise. We're going to make it happen for you. We look forward to hearing from you. This is not going to last, and this could all be yours. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Wanaka.